My name is Joseph. I'm representing Team Jamaica. I'm 15 years old and I'm here in Guatemala for Junior Davis Cup. We placed second in our group. We lost to Bahamas 2-1 in the tie. We beat Nicaragua 2-1. We had an exciting doubles match to give us the tie win. And yesterday we played Barbados and I started off the tie and I got the first win, followed by Kyle Clark. So we won that tie 2-1. It's different. I've never really played in a team environment before, but I like it. I like the excitement. I like everything that it brings. So.
We're not through to the main 1 to 4. We're through to the 6 to 10, which we're gonna try and win. Aruba versus El Salvador is playing, and we played the winners since we got a bye. So we're just gonna try our best and try to win. So far, we've been performing well, in my opinion. Only just a little bit disappointed, I guess, not going through to the main thing, but we're going to try our best to do what we can. I haven't been playing my best. In the first match, in the singles match, I could have brought it home for us, but I kind of went away in the second set. In the first set was 6-3, was only one break, so it was kind of close. But in the second match, my performance improved a little bit because in the second set I fought back, but wasn't able to make a full comeback. But I was a little nervous in the first set because I didn't want to lose the tie. But we were able to come back, and luckily you guys were able to take it in, so that was good.
I think we've played well so far. We could have definitely played some better shots and some better points. But I think, well, no, not I think. We're definitely going to pick it up in the next few matches.
Because back at home, I feel like I played a bit better, more confidently, but here, it feels very different representing the country. It feels like very nice because you're like one with the team, and they're cheering you on, and you're not playing for yourself only, you're playing for the country, you're playing for your friends, you're playing for your teammates.
My name is Amanda Mike Garden and I'm a junior Billie representative for Jamaica and I'm 14 years old.
Amanda, it's the first time representing Jamaica?
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel proud to be representing my country and happy that I can come out and show what Jamaica has to offer.